Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone 13, iPhone 14 touch issue on after update. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, solution 1 is force restart your iPhone. So guys, how to force restart your iPhone? So for the force restart iPhone, tap on the power button and volume up and volume down at the same time for 15 seconds when Apple logo appears. So after force restarting your iPhone, solution 2 is make sure to check your iPhone screen is clean. So guys, first make sure your iPhone screen is clean and free of dust, because your screen may contain dust, oil or water. So use a soft cloth or cotton cloth to clean your screen. Now check, see your iPhone's touch screen is working properly. So if not, so solution 4 is next solution is remove your iPhone case and your screen protector. It may be a issue of screen protector because of the local company. So after this, the next solution is plug the iPhone into the charging port to check it is working or not. So after this, the next solution is update your iPhone to the next version. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap in general, tap on software update here, check for update. So guys, if the update is available on your iPhone, so update your iPhone to the next version. It may be a bug on your iPhone, so wait for checking. So you can see guys, the new update is available on my iPhone. So tap on download and install new update on your iPhone. So guys, after this, the next solution is reset all settings on your iPhone. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer reset, tap on reset all settings here, enter your iPhone passcode. So guys, this will reset all settings and your Apple Pay cards keys and passage will be removed. No data or media will be deleted from your iPhone. So tap on reset. So guys, here are some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.